Three things to keep in mind after you have your hair transplant procedure. Really important. Number one, the grafts are not permanent for 10 full days. What does that mean? You have to be careful with what you do and the activities that you pursue. So at 10 days, the grafts are permanent, and you can go back to most activities, especially with FUE. You can go back to almost all activities after 10 days. Within the first 10 days, you have to be careful. So that's number one. Number two, it is important to wash, and you have to follow your physician's instructions exactly how they want you to wash. Different offices may do it a little bit differently, but it's important to have a washing routine that I go over with all my patients, and that helps to clear some of the scabs, some of the debris away, so it actually heals better during that first 10 days. So that's number two. Number three, it's important to keep your head level and not bend and move too much, because you want to reduce the swelling, the edema. So keeping your head level. If you need to bend down, bend at your knees. If you need to look at your phone or your computer, which everyone is going to do that, try to keep it at eye level. Don't be looking down at your phone or at your computer constantly so your head is facing down. So you want to keep your head level. That's important, and that's not really talked about enough. So keeping your head level, washing as per your physician's orders, and remembering that 10 days is when the grafts are permanent. Those are three important things to keep in mind after your hair transplant procedure.